My name's Nick Galati with Galati Yacht Sales. This morning we're at the Viking VIP with Viking and Valhalla Boatworks, standing on the brand new V-46 Valhalla, which is just debuting here this weekend at the event. Starting here, you'll see most notably we have quad 450. The Mercury engines here. We sea trialed this boat a couple days ago. 8 people, fluids, everything. Be a solid load on the boat. It's all 70 miles an hour each way. Pretty easily. So performance-wise, is with the rest of the line. It's it's the entire package. So here you see you got some live wells set up. You can definitely fish out of this boat. This particular boat's set up with teaser reels. You got her outriggers and everything else you may need. We have some pop-out seating here, which is nice and very easily to do. You pull up on Velcro and there's your seat. If you don't want them, you want the flush look, or you need to get around the cockpit, they fold away very easily. Lazarette space. This boat is equipped with the Seakeeper, which is a very nice option. So moving forward, one of the really nice things about the 46 is, with a lot of the center consoles, especially the high performance center consoles, the space behind the helm is usually the first to fill up. So we do have dual row seating here. These are release chairs. There's actually an elevated step for the passengers and also the captain for to really maximize the visibility. This second row is actually a little bit higher than the front, so even your 4 passengers sitting in here will have great visibility of the entire boat. Here at the main helm, you'll see we have a full Garmin electronics suite, all flush mounted switches as well, and you have everything on this boat electronics wise you could possibly ever want or need to use. So moving forward, this is a very popular feature on the Valhalla and even the Viking product is the faux teak tow rail. Really gives the boat a nice accent. In the space up here, once again, some nice seating. I mean, we had, as I mentioned, about 8 people on our sea trial, and everybody had a very comfortable space to sit. Moving forward to the front of the boat, we have the pop-up cleats, so that's completely flush when not in use. A nice step here to get into the anchoring system or even the cleats very, very easily. And then furthest forward, we have a underdeck anchoring system, so it's completely out of the way when not in use. One of the nicest features about the V-46 Valhalla is the interior space. You got a nice galley set up, a completely separated head, which is nice for privacy. It is climate controlled air conditioning, of course, and you can go down there to get out of the elements, enjoy a nice ride, and also access the mechanical space aft. Once again, I'm Nick Galati with Galati Yachts. We're here at the Viking VIP at the Viking Yacht Service Center. Come by and check us out this weekend, and for more information on the V-46 Valhalla, check us out on our website at galatiyachts.com.